Okay, we're gonna start working on the side view now. So for that, let's start by using the limits of the bottom view. So this will be the top limit, and this will be the bottom limit. Then we can use these points as reference to get the sides. So we'll trace a line to the side and then use the 45-degree triangle. This way we can project it going up. So here we have the limit of our view. So now let's start using these points as reference. So I'll just keep repeating the same steps. We trace lines to the side and then use the 45-degree triangle to project the lines onto our new view. So I'm just gonna trace a few different reference points. We project it up again. Now we're gonna start using these points to get our view. I'm gonna need these two lines as well. So these are gonna be the first points of our view. So let's just connect them. Now here we're gonna use this new found point, and this way we have the outer limit of our view. Now using these points, I'm gonna use this intersection right here, and then with the other line, I'm gonna find the other intersection at the top, right here. Now all we need to do is connect these lines. And there we have our final views. So with all of this, we should be able to now project into perspective. So finally, this is our bottom view, which we're gonna project on the floor of our projection. Then this is the front view, which we will use as reference. And finally, the side view, which is gonna help us also project on the projection space using the bottom as well. So in the next video, we're gonna use all these views, put it into perspective, and start projecting our 3D shape. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.